Good evening and welcome. Welcome to the CEPT Summer Exhibition 2019. May I request President Dr. Bimal Patel to say a few words before we inaugurate the exhibition. Dr. Bimal Patel.
Thank you very much. Thank you everybody for coming. I see many friends, tutors, students. Welcome. This is the third semester end exhibition that we are holding at CEPT. First of all, I'd like to thank our board members, members of AES, and other people on the board for the wonderful support that you give all of us in doing this work. I hope that the exhibition, the work that we produce, makes you proud of the Institute. Thank you very much for being here with us on this day. This purpose of this exhibition is to celebrate all the hard work done by our students and to show it to everybody, to feel proud about it and to involve the professional community and the city in the work that we do. This is also the time at which all the work that is put up is reviewed by a board of review. There are, as you know, 3 boards, one for each of the faculties and another board that looks across the entire exhibition. We are also inviting members of the public to see the exhibition. So this exhibition has multiple purposes: review, celebrating the work, exhibiting our work. And we are also having an open house for our UG programs so that people who are contemplating studying here at CEPT, parents who are thinking of this as a place where they might want to send their children for study later on when they graduate. So this serves that purpose too. Over the next 2 days, we'll also be identifying recipients of the Excellence Awards at CEPT. So up to 25 works will be selected for an award for excellence. And at the beginning of next semester, we will exhibit all of these works. And from these 24, based on some process that we'll select 3 top students for an award. And the Gujral Foundation has been very generous, and 3 awardees will receive 1 lakh rupees each for the best work done at CEPT. Like last semester exhibition, we are also publishing a catalogue of all the studio units at CEPT. Last time we had one for all the L2, L3, which means undergraduate units. This time there is a special book also for the L4, which is the graduate studio units. Every time we try to improve the exhibition in some ways. Every exhibition is a chance to improve it. This time round, you will all, I hope, notice the hard work put in by the exhibition design team led by Professor Jai Thakkar, and I want to thank him and his team for the tremendous work that they have put into for the planning of this exhibition, and that's I hope all of you will appreciate it. Urvi Sheth, who leads the workshop, she's director of workshops, has also, and her team have also worked very hard on it. There is a panel here somewhere of all the people who have been involved in the making of the exhibition. The admissions office, the outreach office, Mona Khakkar and her team, the summer winter school team, which is led by Mercy Samuel. All of them have put in a lot of work in making this exhibition. I would also like to thank Anu Sutaria, who heads the alumni office, for all the efforts at involving alumni in this exhibition also. So one round of applause for all the people who have worked on this. Without all this hard work, this exhibition would not be what it is, and this is terrific. But most of all, this exhibition is the exhibition of student work. And the ultimate credit for it goes to the students and their tutors. This exhibition is aimed at showcasing what our students are capable of producing. And for any teaching institution, the only measure of its quality is the quality of work that the students are able to produce. It doesn't matter how good the teachers are, how fantastic the campus is, how terrific the administration is. None of this matters. Ultimately, the only thing that matters is the quality of work that the students will produce. And I hope that as you go around the exhibition, you will see all the hard work that has been put into by the students and their tutors. So one big round of applause. Teaching and learning is hard work, and I'm always impressed by the amount of work that people put in. Terrific. Before I end, I want to say, before we light the lamp, I want to say one more thing. We are also taking the opening of this exhibition as an opportunity to commemorate our beloved teacher, Piraji Sagra. Some of you might have known him. He taught at CEPT University from 1963 until 2011, and we are commemorating him by installing this beautiful sculpture by him. Piraji Sagra, as you know, used to make little maquettes out of brick. He used to sit in the basement and he would carve out these little maquettes. And then whenever somebody wanted a large sculpture, he would have that enlarged and stone carvers would put it together. So I'd like to thank Piraji Sagra's son, Rajesh Sagra, who was also teacher here, for helping us and organizing for the making of this sculpture from an original maquette of Piraji's and having it installed here for all of us. The day it was done, I walked up from there, and I'd urge you to walk from there looking at the face here, sort of this innocent, almost innocent, bewildered look that this person has. It's a lovely sculpture. So one round of applause for Piraji Sagra. Thank you very much. So once again, thank you all and welcome to the exhibition. We want to launch the exhibition by the board members opening and releasing the catalogue. So I'm sure all of you would love to see what's here. This represents the hard work of the Teaching Learning Center and the academic director. Chirayu Bhatt and Professor Srivatsan. Round of applause for all of them. Thank you very much. With that, can I request you to please light the lamp?
So I would say that the quality of work here has improved tremendously. I mean, I couldn't imagine us doing something like this 40 years ago when I was at CEPT. And even I would say in the last 5, 10, 15 years also the quality of the output has made a dramatic transformation. I think the credit goes to the management, to the faculty, and of course the students who put in a lot of hard work. But truly I can't emphasize enough how good the level of work is that one sees these days. I'm really happy to have been here at the exhibition.
This exhibition is a brilliant idea, and it gives students to showcase their talent. At the same time, it gives them tremendous exposure.
I first came to this campus in 1968 at Dassar. So it's lovely to be here after 50 years and watching the work of the students. I didn't come here to judge the students, I came here to learn from them. I looked at the whole exhibition and I got so many great ideas, and I hope to use them in my future work. The other thing I want to point out is that if you look at schools of architecture from Rome to Tokyo to Sydney, this is the best school of architecture in Asia. And this you can see by seeing the work of the students. And I think the work of the students is what is important, not the reputation of the faculty. And looking at this work, I realized this is a great place to learn and a great place to study. So everybody come and look at the exhibition, it's great work.
I think the exhibition is a wonderful event for the students as they get to see a lot of creative and good work happening across all the faculties, especially for students coming from outside campuses so that they get an overview and real insight into the creative work happening here.